Welcome to a gift card holder tutorial. I'm Charee Filimoehala here at the Graphic 45 office, and I'm excited to teach you how to create these fun and simple gifts. As you can see with this one I'm holding here, the gift card just slides into the top right there, which makes it a perfect spot for a gift card, but it's also a great size for money, tickets, or photos as well. I'll not only teach you how to create just this one, but we'll be creating a trio of holders using our scraps left over from our Christmas time DIY album that we've created. Both of these projects this month have been created for us by the wonderful Maria Cole, and she created these for us for our Club G45 Volume 10. So if you're not already a subscriber, you're going to want to go ahead and do that by hopping on over to our website, g45papers.com, or you can always just pick up the kit as well over there as well. So grab your supplies and let's start creating some Christmas magic. So thanks for joining us today in Portland where I'm filming. It's a nice rainy fall day. So if you can hear the rain showers in the background, hope you just enjoy and find it relaxing. It's a great day to craft when it's rainy outside. But also just a fun tip, we are going to be making 3 of these today, but if you want to be making more, if you know you want to be giving out 6 or 12, you can just scale up the numbers to make how many gift card holders you want to make. We find doing them in batches is definitely the easiest way to do it, so you can knock out a bunch all at once and just be ready for your holiday gift giving. Step 1, we're going to take some chipboard and we are going to be cutting out 3 pieces that are going to be 3 3/4 by 6 3/4. The next thing we're going to do, we have already created our DIY Christmas time mini album, and so we are going to be using the leftovers from this. So from the leftovers from there, we are using the trim the tree paper, and we have cut out 3 pieces that are going to be 3 1/2 by 6 inches. So next we're going to glue these onto our black chipboard bases. And because we want to be creating a pocket, we are not going to be adhering the top. So we'll just do the bottom left and right hand side. And when creating pockets, I'd always recommend using a liquid glue, just the dry adhesives. Since they never truly dry, can get your items that you're sticking into your pockets, they can tend to get stuck. So add your adhesive and then we'll adhere our papers down. We want an equal amount of the black chipboard showing on the left, right, and bottom. So we do have about 1/2 inch hanging out the top, and that's where, as you see here, it's kind of where we'll be sticking our little gifts, our gift cards, or whatever you want to put in here. And then from your ephemera card pack, or if you're using a different collection, some nice cut aparts or something similar of size, we are going to be taking 3 of these. We're just going to be using the smaller 3 by 4 ones. We'll adhere the season's greeting with the deer, the season's greeting with the Santa, and then the Santa with the top hat and bag. And then these will adhere down and they'll be about 3/4 inch from the top. Also, if you want to mix it up, you can always have this side facing forward so you've got a little space to write something. So I'm going to go ahead and try that on mine since you've already seen the samples of it the other way. And I'm only going to adhere in a U shape just in case I also want to stuff a little something in that as a pocket as well. Step 2, we're going to be using these 2 cut apart sheets to embellish our gift card holders. So from North Pole Express, we're going to take out 3 stamps, a holly and the ivy, the Santa playing the piano, and the reindeer. And if you want, we just use some fine little scallop scissors when trimming these out, so it has a cute little stamped edge. However, you can always just keep it nice and simple and cut it straight as well. And then from Jingle All the Way, we're going to be using some of these to from tags up here in the top left-hand corner. So we're going to take this cute little for reindeer tag, this holly and ivy to from, and this black number. But you can see there's endless possibilities with these cut apart sheets that you can use some of these pieces for decoration or stuffing in mini albums, putting on card fronts. The borders are great for adding some fun accents and details onto your projects. And over here, there's some even more fun tags that you could use on gifts and things like that. And now we're going to embellish and decorate these all together. So with this season's greetings, I'm going to be using the holly and ivy stamp that we cut out. It's just going to be on an angle over that season's greeting reindeer, and then a nice little for label tag, so you can write who this is for on there. And then using some of our metal clock keys. These are perfect for this Christmas time collection. But you could use whatever metal embellishments you've got already in your stash. And then I just put some nice heavy duty metal jewelry glue on the back of my clock key. You could also use Ranger's Glossy Accents or E6000, work great as well. All right, so my jewelry glue burst at the seams and got all over my hands. So if you're using older glue, maybe it's time to get something newer. I'm gonna use the Glossy Accents going forward, but now it's on to decorating and adding a little fun bow at the top. So keeping it nice and simple, just use any coordinating ribbon that you've got in your stash or twine. And then it's always nice to kind of find that center and leave a little crease. That way I know where I want my center of my bow to be as well. Now I've just created two little bunny ears, and we can go ahead and cross and then put one ear through the loop and pull. I know if you follow our other video tutorials, you'll know I'm a huge fan of the bunny ear method. I feel like when you're crafting, it just gives you the best control over how your loops and your tails end up hanging, which I find if you do other tying methods, it's a little harder to control where everything's going to end up. So once we have our bow how we like it, you can go ahead and trim your tails. I'm going to just pinch mine in half and then cut up so I have a cute little ribbon tail. So pinch that in half and then at an angle going up towards the center folded seam, and that will give me a cute little ribbon tails. And then using some nice liquid adhesive, we are going to adhere this down on the plaid portion at the top. And then we'll want that to sit and dry. And then from our sticker sheets that come in the collection pack, we're going to be taking this cute little black and gold reindeer and put it just over the top of the bow and a little bit on our season's greeting tag. Maybe I don't want to obstruct that so much though. Here we go. So there you have it. We've got our first gift card holder done. And then the next two are going to follow the same idea. So we'll put our stamp down first. So there we have it. Now we've added a bow and a Noel sticker to this one, and you can see there's a lot of great space where you could write a little holiday message. And then on this one, we've added a Jingle All the Way sticker, just nice in the middle, and another cute little bow. We hope that you've enjoyed creating these super cute little gift card holders with us today. And of course, we want to see what you've created. So go ahead and share your projects with us on Instagram using the Graphic45 hashtag, or join us on our Graphic45 official community page on Facebook to share your photos and fun tips and tricks with fellow G45ers. If you're looking for more fun Graphic45 tutorials like this or this one, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and then hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. And of course, as always, we thank you for joining us, and we hope you stay safe, and as always, happy paper crafting.